Discover how to quit your job fast with these 30 passive income ideas. I will show you tried and proven ways how to make over $800 a day and quit your 9-to-5 job if you want to. Passive income is money you earn that requires little to no ongoing effort to maintain. It might not be easy in the beginning. It will take hard work and a strong dedication. But once set up, these passive income streams can work for you around the clock. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through. That's how I get compensated for laboring to put together and bring you this valuable information. Thank you very much for your kind support. Now let's continue. In this video, I will go through 30 practical, easy-to-do passive income ideas. I will explain each in a simplified manner, so you can start building your path to financial freedom today. So get yourself a pencil and a notepad. 1. Rent out a room. Got extra space at home? Platforms like Airbnb let you rent out that room to travelers, turning in used square footage into monthly cash flow. 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products through blogs, YouTube, or social media. Share a link, and if someone buys, you get paid. 3. Dividend stocks. Invest in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, called dividends. The more shares you own, the more you earn. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. You earn interest as they repay, just like a bank would. 5. Sell an online course. If you're skilled at something, cooking, marketing, coding, you can turn it into a course and earn every time someone signs up. 6. Sell an ebook. Write about what you know, fiction or nonfiction. Once published on Amazon Kindle or other platforms, your book can sell indefinitely. 7. Start a YouTube channel. Create valuable video content. Once you reach enough views and subscribers, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 8. Drop shipping store. Sell products online without keeping inventory. Orders go straight from your supplier to the customer. Your job is marketing and brand building. 9. Buy a profitable app. Purchase an existing app that already makes money from ads or subscriptions and enjoy the recurring revenue. 10. Buy a profitable website. Websites that get regular traffic can generate income through ads, products, or affiliate links. Buy one, optimize it, and let it pay you. 11. Cryptocurrency mining. Set up computers to solve blockchain puzzles and earn cryptocurrency. While setup can be technical, it can generate passive returns over time. 12. Hold stocks long-term. Buy stocks with strong growth potential and hold them for years. The longer you hold, the more you benefit from compounding gains. 13. Create an app. Build a mobile app that solves a specific problem. Once it's in the App Store, you can make money through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. 14. Rent out your car. If your vehicle sits unused, rent it out on platforms like Turo. It's like Airbnb, but for cars. 15. Start a laundromat. Laundromats operate 24/7 with minimal staff. Customers use machines, and you collect money with little ongoing work. 16. Vending machines. Place machines in high-traffic areas like malls or schools. Refill them occasionally and collect passive income from every snack sold. 17. Start an ATM business. Own ATMs and charge a small fee per withdrawal. With the right locations, this can produce steady, recurring income. 18. Put ads on your car. Wrap your car in advertising and get paid to drive as usual. Companies pay for mobile visibility. 19. Crowdfunded real estate. Invest in property deals with as little as $10 through platforms like Fundraise or Realty Mogul. Earn rental income and appreciation passively. 20. Investing with a robo-advisor. Use an automated investing service like Betterment or Wealthfront to grow your money based on your goals, with no effort on your part. 21. Run a subscription service. Offer digital content, newsletters, or niche products via subscription. Subscribers pay monthly, creating recurring income. 22. Invest in royalty income. Buy the rights to music, patents, or books and earn royalties whenever they're used or sold. 23. Rent out items you have. Got a camera, bike, tools, or party gear? Platforms like Fat Llama let you rent your stuff for cash instead of letting it collect dust. 24. Sell products on eBay. Find niche items, list them, and let sales roll in. With the right automation tools, you can manage it with minimal effort. 25. Sell products on Amazon. Use Amazon FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, to store, pack, and ship your products. You focus on sourcing, and Amazon handles the rest. 26. High-yield savings account. While not high-yield in the traditional sense, these accounts offer better interest than standard savings. It's safe, automatic income. 27. Be a silent business partner. Invest in a business you believe in without managing it day to day. You share in the profits while the owner runs the operations. 28. Start a car wash. With automated equipment and smart locations, car washes can be lucrative passive income machines with minimal staffing. 29. Hire a virtual assistant. Once your passive business grows, outsource tasks to a VA to keep it running with less hands-on involvement, making it truly passive. 30. Sell print-on-demand t-shirts. Design shirts and upload to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. They print and ship when someone buys. You collect the profit. Here's my final thought. The road to financial freedom isn't paved by working harder. It's paved by working smarter and building systems that work without you. You don't need to do all 30 of these passive income ideas. Start with one. Learn, test, improve. Then stack another. Over time, your income begins to multiply, not just add. Passive income is how you stop trading time for money and start building wealth that gives you back control of your time, your choices, and your future. So the real question is, which one will you start with today? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.